Hi everyone, this is Kishore and welcome to my YouTube channel Vakaraju. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the data types which we are using in the Python. So typically there are some data types but today in this video we are going to cover three data types. One is integer and second one is float and third one is string. So in previous video we stored some values in a variable. So what values we are going to store in the variable based upon the data, we call it data types. It may be the integer, it may be float, it may be string. So before that, my mom gave 20 rupees to me. So these 20 rupees is an integer. So any value, it may be a negative numbers or a positive numbers, but it don't have decimal points. We call it as an integer. Suppose these 20 rupees are 10, 5, 4, -1, -2, -3 or 0, whatever it may be, it all considered as an integer. And another thing, my mom said to me to go and buy one soap. So I went to shop and buy one soap and its cost is 12.5 rupee and the shopkeeper give me 7.5 rupee. So these 12.5 and 7.5 is a floating numbers. So any value which have some values after point, so those are called as decimal numbers. So we call it as float numbers. So next data type is string. Any value we are going to store between the inverted commas, it called as string. So any character, it may be ABCD or any letters, we are going to store inverted commas, we call it as string. Suppose this 20 rupees note, NOTE note, we are stored it in double quotes. The interpreter, the Python considers it as a string. Suppose I save my name Kishore. So I store this name inside the inverted commas. The interpreter or Python considered as a string. So whatever it may be, it be. So when I write 1, 2, 3, 4 in inverted commas, so the interpreter in Python, how it is considered and which data type is considered. So let's comment in below. I want to know it. So now we are going to see the data types what we have discussed till now by doing it in Jupyter Notepad. So simple, I already told you data type is nothing but the type of value the variable holds. So based upon that we call it type. So our first data type is integer. So we need to take one variable, so whatever it may be, I take x and value is 1. To check the what value it is, we use one function, is type function. Print type of x. Here we go. It says, interpreter says it is an integer. It is an integer data type. So our next data type is float. So any value it does not have decimal points, we call it as integer. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it may be. We don't have decimal points, we call it integer. Now we are going to see the float. X equal to 1.5. To check which data type it is, we use type function x and the data type is float. So any value which have value after point, we call it as float. So our next data type is string. Any value we store between the double quotes, we call it as string. Whatever it may be, you store anything between the inverted commas, we call it as string. So I type my name Kishore and check which data type it is. For that I use type function and x. Here we go, it is a string. String is nothing but a group of characters which we store between the double quotes. So that's it for today. Meet you with another video guys. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.